this is it.
This is the last dance. For years, it roared through our hearts.
A machine of passion, power, and precision.
This engine is a core part of the Seagulls Lübeck from the very beginning.
It has been in every car we've built so far. It's not just about speed.
It's about teamwork, learning, and pushing the limits of what we could achieve. Everybody in the team plays a vital role on our journey to success.
And every story must evolve. As we say goodbye to the roar of combustion, we embrace the quiet hum of the future.